Hello friends, welcome back to our channel TSNet Made Easy. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the syllabus of TSNet. But before we go through the details, let me ask you a question. What are the three main components of any entrance exam to clear it? Any guesses? Okay, let me tell you. In order to clear any entrance exam, the candidate should have the complete understanding of exam pattern, syllabus and analysis of previous year's question papers. Yes, these are some things that you should keep in mind in order to clear any entrance exam. Now let's start the video. As I told you in the last video, there are three sections in TSNET examination, that is general awareness, mathematics and logical reasoning and English proficiency, having 40, 30, 30 questions respectively, making the total of 100 multiple choice questions. Now let's start with the topics and subtopics that you are expected to study in general awareness section. In general awareness section, you will have question on politics, social studies, science and technology, environment, sports, art and culture, and Indian history. So these are some areas that you should go through for general awareness category, and you will have almost 15 questions on current affairs, so you must be aware of national and international happenings. Now let's move to the second part, that is mathematics and logical reasoning. Here you will have questions on arithmetics, geometry, trigonometry, statistics, logical reasoning and data interpretation. And specifically speaking, in math section you will have questions on profit and loss, average, ratio, percentage, time and speed, or say speed and time. And out of these topics, I will say average, ratio and percentage are the most important topics, because these topics are going to help you in data interpretation as well. Now let's talk about the logical reasoning part. In logical reasoning part, you will have questions on number series, alphabet series, Venn diagram, relationship, statement argument test and statement assumption test. So these are some kind of questions you will have in logical reasoning part. Now let's talk about the data interpretation part. In data interpretation, you will have data in form of bar graphs, tables, pie chart, case lists, line graphs and data comparison. You will have question on data comparison, where you will have data in two pie charts, two tables, two bar graphs, etc. And you are going to have almost 12 questions on data interpretation. So study this topic carefully. Now let's talk about the final part, that is English proficiency. In English section, you will have question on grammar, vocabulary and reading comprehension. And specifically speaking, you will have question on verbal analogy, phrasal verb, one word substitution, idioms or proverbs, synonyms, antonyms and homophones. So these are some topics that you should study for English section. Now let's talk about the types of question you are going to have in English, that is fill in the blanks, match the pairs, spot the error, complete the analogy, find the odd word out, sentence correction and reading comprehension. In reading comprehension, you will have 5 questions and remaining 25 questions will be from other topics that I have mentioned under the title. So that's all my friends. I hope you like the video. Please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and if you have anything to say, please use the comment box. Thank you.